Hey guys, it's another hair tutorial and today we'll be installing the passion twist hair. Let's go! So as you know, I always do my hair off camera because it is so time consuming guys, but today I decided to show a little bit of it on camera. So I'm just here trying to get my hair ready in the braid pattern that I normally do. Recently I have started to use mini plaits because it actually lasts longer, so that's what I'm doing here guys. Okay guys, so I have done the braid pattern. This is it. Don't need to worry about the back. It doesn't have to be perfect. Is this? I'm going into the first pack of passion twist. Altogether about 3 packs guys, which is kind of pricey. Now we're going into the first pack. Okay guys, so this is 18 inches. I did not really want such a long length, but I didn't see a shorter length. The other line was way too short, so I had to take 18 inches, and it is in the color 1B. Now it comes with 3 sets in each pack, so it's 12 individual strands guys. Just strands, 12 individual crochet here guys. So I'm not sure how much this will do. So I got 3 packs. It doesn't seem that fluffy, so let's see how it looks. So when you're doing crochet, you don't want to do it too close, just in case you run out of hair. You have to do it with a little bit of space in between. So after you finish the front now, then you can go back and fill it in if you have hairs left over, or else you're gonna run out guys. And we're at the end of 1 pack, and this is how it looks so far. We're at the front with pack number 2. so the front is done. The front is done right now. I'm just trying to see if there's any space remaining so I can fill it in with pack number 3. It will almost appear that guys, I did not have to buy a 3rd pack. I could have just rolled with this. But I get the front together. Get the front together and then fill in the back. The back is a bit spacey. I'm just putting it together to see where I have to fill in. Just putting it together to see if there's any area that I need to fill in. So, 2 strands out of pack number 2 left, so I'm just going to fill in the areas that I think I will need to fill in. It's quite noticeable, so let's cover that. Work on the back. The back is a bit scanty. So I'm gonna let the back look full, guys.